Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bitcoin Cash transaction confirmation with BitPay full guide step by step clearly. To fix Bitcoin Cash transaction confirmation with BitPay, follow these steps. First, open your BitPay wallet app. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the transactions section of the app. Locate the transaction that is pending confirmation. Take note of the transaction ID, also known as the TXID. Visit a Blockchain Explorer website for Bitcoin Cash. Enter the transaction ID in the search bar of the Explorer. Check the status of your transaction. If it shows as unconfirmed and you need to speed it up, look for the Transaction Accelerators option. Select a reputable transaction accelerator service. Follow their instructions to submit your transaction for faster confirmation. If the accelerator service requires a fee, ensure you are aware of any charges before proceeding. After submitting, monitor your transaction status on the Blockchain Explorer again. If the transaction remains unconfirmed after a significant time, consider resending. In your BitPay wallet, create a new transaction. Ensure to set a higher miner fee for quicker confirmation this time. Double-check the recipient's wallet address to avoid errors. Submit the new transaction and wait for confirmation. Keep checking back on the Blockchain Explorer for updates on the new transaction. If the original transaction eventually confirms, the second transaction will not affect it. For future transactions, consider using higher fees during periods of network congestion. This will help ensure your Bitcoin Cash transactions confirm more efficiently moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.